Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I know we're in the modern age, but I still like to write out all of my plans on paper. This social media planner from Adventineer Press really allows me to be able to plan everything out across platforms, and it keeps everything organized all in one handy notebook. From the inside, you can see it gives you monthly overviews. You can do planning, prepping, you can plan for different platforms, and it also includes a weekly overview. I also really like it because it gives you an idea page as well as a hashtag page. So really, you can keep everything in one place while you're setting everything up and planning. The notebook has 107 pages, so this is enough to keep you going for quite some time, and I really love that I can keep everything in one place. Obviously, the printers knew what they were doing when they planned out this notebook because I can literally keep everything that I need all within these pages. I can make notes while I'm looking at my phone on social media for ideas or tips, or maybe just some things to remind me later. It's so much easier than switching from one app to the other to be able to take some notes down. I'm just old school and I love putting things on paper. It really helps me to stay organized. If you're the same way, then you need to get this notebook. It will be such a lifesaver for you, and that's my point of view.